everybody.
Hi! Hello from Little Country Heaven. We wanted to make a quick video to thank all of you for reaching a big milestone in our channel. About 3 weeks ago, we were around 170 subscribers, and only in 3 weeks, we grew by 1,000 subscribers. And a few days ago, we passed the 1,000 milestone, and right now we're around 1,130 something. So it keeps growing every day, and we're just so grateful to you for your support.
We're excited for this goal and for this channel, so we wanted to say thank you so much for your support.
Yes.
Keep watching our videos.
Absolutely. So on that topic, let's talk about what our audience can possibly expect in our channel.
Yes.
So our channel will be centered around our home life, our little country heaven, our life here in East Tennessee, and I think there will be a lot of home projects, home DIYs, house and garden tours for sure. Tell us exactly what you want to see.
Definitely some music.
Yes, also music. We're musicians, so obviously that's a big part of our lives, so we'll be sure to include that. We like to go explore. Tennessee is a really beautiful place.
Absolutely.
So we love to go explore waterfalls or, beautiful mountain trails and all that. So we'll bring you along for the adventure if you'd like to see. So some of that as well. So you will expect a lot of different things in our channel that are kind of centered around our home and our life. So we really do hope that you enjoy all of that content. Another thing you might see in our channel are different activities that might happen throughout the year in our home, like the Christmas special that we did a few weeks ago. That was really fun. And it was actually what we did on Christmas. It wasn't fake or anything. So we filmed what we were actually doing. And the film, it's also for our memories. I thought that it would be a beautiful little home movie. And also I think it touched on just the beauty and the simplicity of just being together at Christmas time. This has been a really, really tough year, the year that just passed, and we wanted to make this Christmas a very special one for each other. And so we wanted to kind of bring you into that, and then we've had some really lovely comments and feedback from people from all over the world, so we've really enjoyed that.
We lucked out. It was snowing on Christmas. Can you believe it?
Oh my gosh, it's our first white Christmas to that level, right? Like we've had snow before, but
Well, the first in my life.
yes. So as you know, we're from Puerto Rico, so it was really special to have a white Christmas. And we had so much fun. Like seriously, just so good. So we want to thank you for all of your support, and we want this channel to be a space that's very positive, both in what we put out there in the world. We wanted to bring you joy and happiness and be a moment of of respite for you in your day. But also we want to keep our comment section positive. So we're teachers, so we always encourage people to do their very best. So there's always a kind and good way of saying something, and we're obviously open to your suggestions and your comments, but let's keep our comment section, as it has been so far, a very positive space.
We always learn from the comments.
Right.
All suggestions, feedback.
Yeah.
We take that, and
Yes.
we obviously
Take that into account.
absolutely.
And on that topic, if people have ideas on what other things you want to see in our home, like some people have asked about our art collection, they might want to see that.
That's true.
Another video we might be having coming up soon is the loft tour, like the second story. So if you have specific things like that you'd like to see, let us know. Also, let us know what you have enjoyed so far that we've been doing, so that we can continue to do more of that. And know that every time you hit like and every time you comment on the video, you're really helping us grow, because when you interact with the video, YouTube knows that you liked it, and that it should show it to more people in like the suggestions page when you log on to YouTube. So that really helps us out a lot. And if you feel so inclined to spread the love and share our channel with more people, then you should definitely do that, and maybe post it on your social media or share the link with friends and family so that our family can continue to grow. So in summary, thank you so much and welcome to our little country heaven family.
See you in the next one, guys.
Stay tuned. Bye.